We started a new thing called TikTok Tested. I can't even say we started, it was once.
We had a TikTok test.
We did a live YouTube video recently, and for whatever reason, got cut off like halfway. We didn't get to finish. This is your first time jumping on, then welcome to a TikTok Tested. We've all seen this video. We've all seen those recipes that just go viral on TikTok for one reason or another. This one seemed plausible to me, CJ.
It's very doable. I know all about it.
I'm a fan of tradition. I like doing things the way they've always been done. However, every once in a while, a little hack, a little TikTok viral recipe makes a lot of sense. So I'm gonna show you guys the trifold, maybe quadrofold, whatever you wanna call it, the folded quesadilla technique. We're gonna put it to the test and see if it's everything that it's cracked up to be. So this is TikTok tested. Should we
number one.
Call it that?
Yes.
TikTok tested number one?
Yep.
Let's do it.